Hey, what's up, everyone? Dan Lomar, CFP with United Wealth Management. Quick video today to answer a quick question that comes up this time of year. Right now, this email is starting to come out from Schwab Client Services, basically saying that PRAP is full for some folks. For some folks, it won't be. All depends on how much you're contributing to it. For some folks, this happened as early as February, and others, it won't happen for a few more months. But anyway, it's that time of year. It's more common to see this question or to see this email come out from Schwab Client Services. And basically, it's just saying, hey, your PRAP is full, and then any contributions, United contributions from this point forward are gonna spill into the active HRA or the RHA, depending on if you're in a United healthcare plan or not. There's an attachment with this. It kind of explains what the different contributions are, what the limits are, and so on and so forth. But that's all it is. It's just an email saying, hey, your PRAP is full, and everything's going to flow from this point forward for the rest of this year into the health plan. Now, what's more common is I get this question, and it says, hey, I go to my PRAP website and I have conflicting transactions when I go to change the contributions. What is that about? This happens at the same time that your PRAP is full, and that's exactly what it is. When your PRAP is full, the plan automatically turns your contributions to zero. And see here, mine are zero. I haven't changed them. It's because when it was maxed out, they were changed to zero, and that's what it is. And so what it is, there's conflicting transactions between what they're scheduled to be in December, because they're scheduled to go back to whatever my last contribution settings were. And so there is a conflict between what they're scheduled to be in December and what they're currently set at. That's all they are. And so if you look at the very last line here, or the very last word in this line, it says click on here, and it's going to show you what your contributions are going to go back to. And so that's essentially what it is. So it says December 5th, they're scheduled to go back to whatever my setting's going to be. And then so if you want to change these, so if you don't want them to go back to what they were before it was maxed out, now's the time to change it. And to do that, you just click on I agree to cancel only the existing conflicting transactions and proceed with the below. Okay, this basically means, hey, I'm going to override what they're scheduled to do, and I'm going to go ahead and set these up with what I want them to be in December when they kick back on. Now, you're going to do this. You're going to set new contributions here. It's going to accept them, and then in a couple days later, you're going to have conflicting transactions message again. These are going to be zero again because, again, you're maxed out. They won't let any more in there. So those will be set to zero again, but then you can go back here, click on here again, and then you click on to see that your contribution changes actually will take effect on December 5th of this year. And of course, I say that's when the change is December 5th, but they won't be effective until January 1st. So, hey, that's what that is all about. I get a few questions on that, so I figured I'd throw that out there and hopefully answer a few questions ahead of time. Hope you all doing great. If there's anything we can do for you, please let us know. Till next time, fly safe.